Oh, I thought I'd do a short video today. I got a padlock that someone gave me. I know it's another cheap one. Heavy duty, 3 keys included. It says for industrial use there, and protecting, well, your motorbike. As you can see the size of it, I don't think it's going to protect your motorbike at all. I wouldn't even use it to secure just a normal bicycle. But there's 3 keys. It's very, very sloppy bidding on that. Well, just give it a go. I know these can be picked straight off in your hand very quickly. I use the vice just for my own purposes as well, really. It's easier for me. I'll show you. Medium hook. Let's have a look. We've got some tension there. Come on, camera. There we go. Let's try it out. And there we go. What was that really? About 10 seconds. If I hadn't stumbled in the first time so quick, I probably would have done it a little bit quicker. But yeah. I call these toolbox padlocks because they're good for your toolbox in your house to stop your children getting at your tools when they get a little bit older, if you get what I mean. But as a security device, I wouldn't waste my money at all. And that's it. Hopefully I'll be getting some good, decent locks soon, so I can do some dimple locks, some with security pins in that, hopefully. And see how I go from there. But thank you very much. Bye.